Today's video explains how to replace the axle bearing. First, the trailer needs to be jacked up using a jack or other methods to lift the tires off the ground. Then use a socket wrench to unscrew the wheel hub fixing screws in sequence. Pry open and remove the protective cover and remove the safety retaining strip. Use a special wrench tool to remove the fixing screws and washers. Remove the brake drum cover and remove the bearing. Put the new bearing fully greased and put it in, then put the gasket. Grease the axle and put the brake drum cover in place. After tightening the fixing screws, use a torque wrench to adjust the torque to 68 N per meter. After tightening the torque, draw the marking line and install the new insurance fixing strip. After installation, cover the protective cap and install the hub. Install wheel hub screws using the diagonal mounting method. After tightening the set screws, use a torque wrench to tighten the torque to 100 N. Then use a large torque wrench to increase the torque to 140 N. The axle bearing replacement is complete.